world-famous trademark. It stands for General Electronics Technology. We are a factory specializing in the production of polymer lithium batteries for drones. The cobalt oxide cathode raw materials, carbon powder, and binder are mixed into slurry in a stainless steel barrel through high-speed stirring, flow into the electrode coating machine, and coated on the surface of the aluminum foil substrate. After high-temperature baking, rolling, and slitting, the cathode can be used to make batteries. The cathode, and diaphragm tape are formed into batteries through an automatic laminating machine. The first charge and discharge is completed through formation, and the product capacity test is carried out to obtain the battery capacity data. Finally, the product is spray-coated, marked, and packaged before being shipped to customers. GEB's RC lithium battery can be used in large drones, unmanned remote-controlled ships, robot dogs, robots, and unmanned remote-controlled cars. The discharge rate can reach 180 C.